Our key asset and our key investment in that sense we've made is our people. Right? We at Xterra are very proud of the great team we have, and the people for us make the company. That doesn't mean we haven't made any other commitments and investments. And so, for instance, we've made investments in new manufacturing facilities to be more resilient in the supply market, have more capacity. But equally, we have invested in testbed facilities. So it's very important that we understand very well how systems operate, how we design them, and also how the whole thing works together. So that's another big investment. And of course, we continue to invest in future forward-looking stuff, both with research partners, but also through our in-house R&D. And of course, that also means quite significant investments. The subsea system supply market is extremely busy right now, as we all know. And one of the key points for us in this market has been that we are extremely agile. We're agile in terms of how we do business, how we contract, and how we supply systems. And that to us has been a major, if you want, differentiator, and has helped us a lot to grow in this market and to build our positioning. The turnkey has been the key way of doing subsea business in the last, hundreds of years even. And we have obviously looked at different models, and we have established them to an extent. So to some customers, it's still important to have one turnkey supplier who takes all the responsibility and takes all the risk if you want it. But there's an increasing number of customers who think differently, and they also see the benefits of different supply models. For instance, reduced cost to them, or more flexibility in terms of supply, speedier supply. All these things play a role here. And I think by us being extremely flexible on that end, we offer a real difference to our customers. Xterra's abilities to scale are very wide-ranging. We can scale in different ways, and that's owed to the way we do business. It's owed to the fact that we can support different business models. If we were vertically integrated, there would be constraints in certain pieces of our supply chain of how we do the business. For instance, we would have only limited ship capacity. Because our model is diverse, we can do full turnkey, we can do disaggregated or some form of co-contracting. We have more abilities to scale. So, for instance, whilst we're doing several turnkey projects, we can still scale the repeater supply market. We can still supply repeaters to others who integrate them themselves and deploy them themselves. And that offers us more flexibility and, of course, more ways to scale our business.